Bonjour. The budget is therefore a long process which is renewed every year from July-August to November-December. Even though I obviously consider that the budget is important, I find that the time spent by all the teams in preparing this budget is disproportionate. Too often during my career I have seen ultra-prepared budget with well-balanced ratio between sales, expenses, productivity, etc. And ultimately all of this completely turned ups and down because owner wants a certain amount and that's it. I think that every budget preparation is missing an official pre-meeting with the owner to have his vision of next year's result and to start discussing on this basis. Regardless, for young GMs, I advise getting really involved in preparing the budget with each department and really include each department head so they are accountable for their numbers. This is the end of the chapter about the budget. Let me know what you think if you have any question. Thank you.